First, make sure you have the necessary items for replacing the filter. Check the number on the display panel matches the number on the delivered filter. The filter replacement is a first-step process. Make sure the power is on before you start the replacement. If the power is off, there's a risk of leakage. Push the filter cover backward to open it. Lift the filter lever and pull the installed filter forward to remove it. Make sure to remove the cap from the new filter. Push the new filter all the way in, and then lower the filter lever. If the filter is not securely located, the cover will not close. Close the filter cover. If the filter cover does not close, check that the filter is properly connected with the lever. After closing the filter cover, the cold water and dispensing button on the display panel will light up. Press the dispensing button to start the filter flushing process. If you haven't replaced the filter, you can skip the filter flushing process by pressing and holding the cold water button for 3 seconds. Wait until the flushing is finished. Once the filter flushing indicator turns off, you can dispense water again. After replacing the filters, check the surrounding area for any leaks. Once the replacement is complete, the replacement date will be registered in the Filter Management tab in the AHCI application. Next, go to the Product Management tab and click Run Smart Monitoring in the Product Inspection menu. Press Start to check for any issues with the water purifier. If there are any issues, take the necessary actions based on the smart monitoring results.